Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's how-to video will be about animation, more specifically how to animate a bouncing ball on 3ds Max. So to get started, you just want to select your plane in standard primitives. It's more not important, but it's more for just a reference. Yeah, that'll do. Then get your sphere, work out what size you want to work with, and then make sure you move it so it's over your added plane. Right. That's a good size, I think. Then what you want to do is you want to raise your ball about that far above your plane. Alright, now to get started with the animation, down here at the bottom will be your animation bar. To check your presets, your time configuration, you can edit a lot of this if you'd like. Usually this will be on 100 frames. For this example, I'm going to set mine to 20, just because it's a simple bouncing ball. I don't really need 100 frames to animate that. I'm going to click OK. Over here we have our key controls. So we have set key, auto key, and this is a feature for it's like manual key, I guess, set key. Today we're going to be doing everything manually, so we're going to select set key, but if you want to do things more quickly, auto key is also an option. Like I said, today we're just going to use set key. So step one, we want always start on 0. Now that our ball is already in our 0 kind of starting position, we want to hit this button here, set key, or you can just hit K on the keyboard. And as you can see down here, it's given us a little tab to show our key. Alright, our next step, we want to move this slider over to, let's do it over to 9, and we want to move our ball just so that it's sitting on our plane, and then we can move it. See that it's just under, so we will move that up a fraction like that. Perfect. And once all that's in position, we'll then hit K again to give us another key down the bottom. And then if I were to go back to 0 and hit play, we'd have our movement animation. I'm going to stop that for now though. And then we want the ball to go back up, obviously, so we're going to go to 20. And then move the ball all the way back up here. And then again, hit key. Now if I were to play that, we have our simple bouncing ball animation, but as you can see here, the ball just kind of hits the ground and goes back up. It doesn't really obey the laws of physics, does it? Of inertia and all that. So what we're going to do to make it a little bit more realistic, let's move the keyframe 1 key over to 10. And what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the scale. So we're going to come up the top, select and uniform scale, select that, and then we're going to just squish it a little bit, just like a tennis ball would do. Move it back down here. So that's there, it's not clipping through the ground. And then hit our key again. And then move the key, slider 1 space over again, and we're going to essentially undo what we just did. That looks about right there. Then we're going to move it back up. There. And then once that's done, hit key again. Ball raise. So now if I would hit play, we have this realistic animation, or somewhat realistic animation of a bouncing ball. And that's really all there is to it, guys. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.